Hi everyone, today I have a very interesting product with us. It is the smart light. It is MI motion activated night light 2. It has 360-degree rotation, has human motion detection, 2 levels of brightness and a magnetic mount. So we are going to unbox this and we are going to install and see how it works. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please subscribe, like and share it with your friends. If you have more suggestions for some products, or if you want to know more about this, then do write into the comments section. So let's start with the unboxing and the installation. Let's start unboxing. The MRP here says $699, but the MI store, online store, has it for $600. And there is a booklet as well. Okay, it has everything about how to use and how to put the batteries. Now let's unveil what is under this. Wow, it's looking very stylish, very smart looking light. Here's a sticker. I think this is the sensor here. This part. This should be the light. Let's open and see. Okay. Here there is a silver lining to give the bright light. Nice. This is the place to put the batteries. You will need 3 AA batteries, and here it is the brightness level indicator. You can set it at low or high. There are 2 modes of brightness. Here is the light. So here is the adhesive. This you will have to stick it to the walls or wherever you want to fix the light. And then the most interesting part, the magnetic holder. It's a very strong one, and you can move it anywhere. So in that way you can do the 360-degree of the light positioning. 360-degree motion is this, and it's very interesting. I find it very playful and interesting here. Okay, so enough of playing. Let me reveal the sensors here. Okay, if I take out this sticker, I can see me written here. This part is the sensor. This is going to sense motion whenever you're coming, going. Okay, now let's put the batteries. And it is glowing. It is on. It's quite bright, and it is brighter here. So this is brighter 1 and brighter 2. You can adjust it according to your needs. So let's install and see how it works. So we have a staircase inside our house, and it becomes pretty dark at the night. We do have lights, but we don't put on the lights at night because it disturbs sleep. So one has to come and switch on the light and then go upstairs. It's very difficult for elderly at night, and it becomes dangerous. So I'll most probably put this light somewhere here around this place, and I'm expecting that because here is the room, I'm expecting that somebody coming out from the room, it should sense here, and then it should switch on. So let's see. Let me put the light here. Let's peel off. Okay, and I'll put this in the staircase. You can easily move it to whatever position you want. If you want to focus it downstairs, or if you want it like this to sense. But this wouldn't light up. See, I'm putting my hand in front, but it won't light up because there is enough light already. So this sensor only works in pitch dark or like enough darkness. When there is light, the sensor is not working. So we'll do another shot in darkness and see how it works. So this was my short demo of this beautiful looking smart light. I think it's very useful for elderly and kids at home, or for your storeroom spaces, or even bathrooms where you can put it and not worry about. Just don't put it outside. It's not an outside light. It's specifically made for dark. It doesn't sense anything when there is light. So make sure you put it in places where it is useful, like dark places, passages, staircases, or your wardrobes, storerooms, and places like that. I hope this video was helpful and useful to you. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, and comment. See you. Thank you.